Hello guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to unblock a number on Android. So first of all, go for your phone app, then choose that number you want to unblock. So if I choose that number, just press on it and you can see there is an unblock option here. Just tap on it and again tap on unblock. So yeah, now again if I go for this one and just go for not spam and again confirm. So yeah, this number is totally unblocked, and yeah, all these things are done by this unblock. Okay, hope this video helped to you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.